Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you how you can crochet this vine stitch, and it's mostly double crochets and V-stitches and one row of single crochets in the front loops only. And there is a right side, that's this one, and there's the wrong side, it's the back of this pattern. So you can see that the good side is better looking. So let's get started. I've got a crochet hook 4mm and I've got my yarn. First let's make a slip knot, and then we're going to chain a multiples of 3 plus 8. So first we are making multiples of 3, so 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. And if you are done with the length you want, then add 8 more. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So for row 1, skip that first chain, and in the second chain make a double crochet, and in every next chain you will need to make a double crochet. So make double crochets until you are at the end of this row. And I'm sorry if you hear any noise in the background, but the neighbors are still renovating their house. And it was quiet a moment ago, so I thought they had some coffee break, but unfortunately they didn't. But I really need to record my video now because I don't have time later on. So I hope you don't find it that much disturbing in my videos if you are hearing the noise. Okay, so just double crochet this row, double crochets in every stitch, and then row 1 is done. It looks like this now. So for row 2, chain 1, turn your work, and in that very first stitch make 2 double crochets. It's 1 double crochet, and here's the second one. And now skip 2 stitches, and in the next one make a V-stitch, and that's 1 double crochet, chain 1, and in that same stitch 1 more double crochet. So we have to repeat this for the rest of this row until you have 3 stitches left. So skip 2 stitches, and in the next stitch make a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. And again skip 2 stitches, in the next one make a double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, and in the next one make a double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet in that same stitch. Now I have 3 stitches left, so 1 left, 1 2, and here's the last stitch, and in that last stitch make 2 double crochets. So 1 and 2. So you started this row with 2 double crochets in 1 stitch, and you end this row with 2 double crochets in the last stitch, and in between skipping 2 stitches and make a V-stitch in the next one. That's a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in 1 stitch. Skip 2 stitches, make a V-stitch, skip 2 stitches and make a V-stitch. Okay, so now for row 3, chain 1, turn your work, and in every stitch we need to make a double crochet, and also in that chain 1 space. So this is not a stitch over here, this space, because you made 2 double crochets in the beginning and 2 in the end, and in between you made the V-stitch in the chain 1. So this is not a stitch, but this is the chain 1 space. Okay, so in that first stitch make a double crochet. In the next stitch, that's the second double crochet of the previous row, make a double crochet, and then we are at the V stitch. So in this first double crochet of the V stitch, make a double crochet. In the chain 1 space, make a double crochet, and in that second double crochet of your V stitch, make a double crochet. Now we are at the first double crochet of the V stitch, make a double crochet in that stitch, chain 1 space, make a double crochet, and in that double crochet over here make a double crochet. So continue this for this row to make double crochets in every stitch and in the chain 1 spaces. So I made my last double crochet in the last V stitch, and now I have 2 double crochets left. So here's the first, and here is the second, and then our double crochet row is done. For now, for row 4, chain 1, turn your work. In that first stitch, make a single crochet through both loops. And then in the second stitch, only in the front loop. So normally you would go through both loops, but now you need to take the front loop. So put your hook in the center of your V stitch or your V. So just the front loop, and then make your single crochet. So in the next stitch, front loop only, make a single crochet. So this whole row needs to be a single crochet in the front loops only, but not the last stitch. So the first and the last stitch will go through both loops, and in between will be in the front loop only. And you can see right here, you don't see anything, but if you turn your work, you can see this bar over here that sticks out a little bit. So front loops only, single crochets in every stitch. So let's see where the last stitch is. That's over here for me. And in the last stitch, just make sure you grab both loops of your stitch and make a single crochet. So your ends will be nice and straight. So for row 5, chain 1 and turn. And this row is just making double crochets in every stitch. So in the first stitch, make a double crochet. In the next stitch, make a double crochet just through both loops of your stitch. So in every stitch you need to make a double crochet. So I'm gonna speed it up a little because double crochets, it is just for this row. And I don't want the videos to be that long. So you can pause the video and just hit play again when you are done with this row. So here's row 5, and this pattern you need to repeat row 2 until 5, so 2, 3, 4 and 5. And when you want to finish your work, you always need to end with a row 3. So with this row you need to end this pattern. So now for row 2, I'll show you a little bit of row 2 now. So chain 1, turn your work, then at first stitch make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and then skip 2 stitches, and in the next one make the V-stitch. That's a double crochet, chain 1, and in that same stitch a double crochet. So skip 2 stitches again, and in the next make a double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, and just continue this for the rest of this row until you have 3 stitches left, and then in the last stitch make 2 double crochets. And then row 3 is just double crochets in every stitch and in the chain 1 spaces too. Row 4 is the single crochets in the front loops only, but in the first and in the last stitch you are making a normal single crochet, and in between just make single crochets, front loops only. And row 5 is just a double crochet row, so in every stitch you need to make a double crochet. So just go along with this pattern and, with row 2, 3, 4 and 5, and end your work with row 3. So I hope you liked it, and I'm curious what you are going to make with this pattern if you are making it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you didn't already do that. And if you put on the notifications, you'll get a message when I uploaded a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.